Want to stay fit at home without disturbing anyone? This 5-minute noise-free workout will help you build strength silently. Segment 1. Quick warm-up. Exercise. Slow arm circles and standing knee lifts. No jumping, no noise, just smooth movements. Segment 2. Lower body. Exercise 1. Slow squats. Perform slow squats, keeping your core engaged. Lower down and rise smoothly. Feel the burn. Exercise 2. Glute bridges. Glute bridges activate your legs and glutes while staying completely silent. Segment 3. Upper body and core. Exercise 3. Slow push-ups. Control your push-ups. No fast movements. Slow reps equal stronger muscles. Exercise 4. Plank hold. Engage your core and hold the plank. No noise, just pure strength. Exercise 5. Dead bug. This move targets your core without making a sound. Stay controlled. Exercise 6. Seated leg lifts. Lift your legs slowly and feel your abs working. No impact, maximum results. Segment 4. Cool down. Finish with a silent stretch. Relax your muscles and recover. And that's your 5-minute noise-free workout. Try it daily and stay fit without disturbing anyone. Like and subscribe for more.